Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sri Suryanti from Management Class 22B with NPM 22411. On this occasion, I will explain some material and various definition about test of two means. This of two means. The two means this is a type of statistical test assay to compare the means of two different groups of data. This test can be created or assign the homogeneous test and or non-homogeneous test depending on which year the two groups of data have the same variant or not. The two means the is generally assessed to test which year there is significant difference between the means of the group of data or not. The principle of testing to average is to look at the difference is variation between the two groups of data. Therefore, it is test information is needed with here the variance of the two groups being tested in the same or not. The variance of the two groups of data will influence the standard error value which will ultimately differentiate the test formula. The benefit of testing to statistical means is to find out whether there is significant difference between the means of the different group of data. This test can be created out assessing the homogeneous test or non-homogeneous test depending on whether the two group of the have the same variant or not. The test of two means is generally assessed to compare the means of two different groups of data and determine whether the differences are significant or not. The result of the two average tests can provide useful information in decision making, such as in research or business. For example, the result of a test of two means can be assessed to determine whether there is significant difference between the average sources of students from two different schools, or whether there is significant difference between the average sales of product from two different stores. By knowing the significant difference between the average of the group of data, it can help in making better and accurate decisions. Next, the purpose of the test is to statistical averages. The purpose of statistical test of the mean is to compare the means of the different group of data and determine whether the difference is significant or not. This test can be carried out using a homogeneous test or non-homogeneous test, depending and whether the two groups of data have the same variance or not. The two means that is generally assessed to test whether there is significant difference between the means of two groups of data or not. The result of the two aggregate tests and provide as useful information in decision making, such as in research or business. Next, how to determine whether two statistical means are independent or dependent. To determine whether two statistical means are independent or dependent, it is necessary to pay attention to the relationship between the two groups of data to be complete. If two groups of data are taken from the same population or have a close relationship, then our statistical means are considered dependent. On the other hand, if two groups of data are taken from different populations are not causally related, then the statistical means are considered independent. An example of a case for determining whether two statistical averages are independent or dependent is the following. 1. Two groups of data are taken from the same population. For example, a researcher here wants to complete the average weight of a student before and after going on a diet program. Because both groups of data are taken from the same population, the statistical means are considered dependent. 2. Two sets of the are taken from different populations. For example, a researcher here wants to compare the average height of male students and female students because the two groups of data are taken from different populations. The statistical means are considered independent when carried out. to aggregate tests, it is necessary to find attention to which here the two groups of data are independent or dependent because this influences the choice of the method asset. Next, factor that influence the test of two statistical averages include sample size. The larger of sample size, the more accurate the two average test results obtained. Assumption of normality. The test of two means requires the assumption of normality in both groups of data to be complete. Therefore, it is necessary to carry out normality test to ensure that both groups of data have a normality distribution. Now, homogeneity assumption. The test of two means also requires the assumption of homogeneity of variance in the two groups of data to be complete. Therefore, it is necessary to test the homogeneity of variance of the ensure that two four groups of data have the same or homogeneous variance. Testicle. The, the choice of two mean testicle, homogeneous t-test or non-homogeneous t-test, depends on whether the two groups of data have the same variance or not. Next, weakness of the two statistical aggregate tests. Normality assumption. The two aggregate requires the assumption of normality for two groups or data to be complete. If the normality assumption is not met, then the result of the met aggregate test cannot be relied upon. Homogeneity assumption. The test of two means also requires the assumption of homogeneity of variance in the two groups of data be complete. If the homogeneity assumption is not met, then the result of the two averages are unreliable. Influence of the factor. There are other factors that influence the result of the two averages, such as differences in individual characteristics in the data group being complete. Therefore, it is necessary to pay attention to the assumption for normality and homogeneity of variance in the two groups of data as well as pay attention to sample size and the variance of outliers, where carry out tests of two statistical means. Apart from that, it is also necessary to consider other factors that influence the result of the two averages that ensure the validity of the result of the analysis carried out. Okay, that's all the material I can convey. If there are words and sentences that are wrong, I apologize. Thank you. See you next time.